The brand sent me this cordless handheld vacuum to try, and it's honestly been one of those super practical things I didn't realize how much I would use. It's lightweight, but it has really strong suction, which has been great for quick cleanups around the house and especially in the car. Crumbs, pet hair, and all the random messes that seem to appear overnight. I like that it has 2 power modes, so I can do a fast pickup or switch to higher power when I need it. And the attachments make it easy to get into tight spots like between car seats. The battery lasts a long time, which I appreciate because I'm not constantly recharging it. And my favorite feature is the built-in light. It makes such a difference when you're cleaning darker areas like under seats or along edges. Overall, it feels simple, easy to grab, and really handy for everyday messes without dragging out a full-size vacuum.